Hi everyone, my name is Maniko Hugo Saperna and I'm from Dimapur, Nagaland. I belong to Mao community. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Japanay. I'm from Manipur State. I belong to Pumai community. Thank you.
Hello everyone. In the year 2001, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization adopted Universal Declaration on Cultural Diversity as a result of the destruction of the Buddha statues of Bamyan in Afghanistan in 2001. Then in December 2002, the UN General Assembly in its resolution 57 by 249 declared 21st of May to be World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. Thank you.
The Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development because this day provides us with an opportunity to deepen our understanding of the values of cultural diversity and to advance the four goals of the UNESCO Conventions on the Protections and Promotions of the Diversity of Cultural Expressions adopted on 20 October 2005, Integrated Culture in Sustainable Development Framework.
The United General Assembly designated a number of international days and marked it as an important aspect of human life and history. Most international and global days are celebrated to create awareness on the community about topics of concern that needs global attention. International Day are occasion to educate the public on issues of concern, to mobilize global problems and to celebrate and reinforce achievements of humanity on a global and national scale. Thank you. Kableshbun.
Hi, my name is Vaishak and I am from Irawa community of Kerala.
Hello, my name is Latum Aksar. I am from Arunachal Pradesh and I am from Galot tribe.
Hello everyone, I am Arpita Basak. I am from Assam and I belong to Bengali community. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Larisha Dimokwan. I'm from Pongtung, Shillong, Meghalaya. I belong to the Khasi community, specifically Wahad Khasi community.
My name is Priyangana Goswami. I'm from the state of Assam and I belong from the Assamese community. Thank you.
Mizoram.
Everyone, I'm Meg Soinam. I'm from Manipur. I belong to Maiti community. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Erlin Tisopi. I am from Assam, West Karbi Anglong. I belong to Karbi tribe. Thank you.
Hi, I Dharmilian Zhou, belongs to Kuki tribe, brought up from the state Manipur, the northeastern side of India. Thank you.
Hello, myself Asinta Ngaunila. I am from Manipur and I belong to Maram community. Thank you.
And I belong to Apatani tribe from Arunachal Pradesh.
Hi everyone, my name is Deepika Ralde. I'm from Mizoram Aizawl. I belong to Mizoram community. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kermalang Jalong. I'm from Meghalaya Shillong and I belong to Khasi community, Kublai Shibun.
Kulumbai, my name is Simkan Nazari. I am from Assam and my tribe is Bodo. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Amit Deimari. I am from Udalguri, Assam. I belong to Boro community.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanyang Khodam. I am from Arunachal Pradesh and I belong to Apatani tribe. Payarapacho.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratima Boro. I am from Assam and I belong to Bodo community.
People who take the opportunity to be part of such program have the responsibility to raise awareness and raise our voices and try to connect with as many people as possible. Digital tools are a way of course, the very important tool in today's generation which we can spread the information to many people in a very short amount in time. They can reach a lot of people and this tool can be accessed by anyone from any place. We can help creating awareness and reach for the target of the population of local people. Local population that can have access or not to social media and just raise the awareness to many people. Today people are more aware that we should not hide our cultural difference, and it is time to speak up about it. Of course, there are reasonable argument or a reasonable discussion, but it is a way that we want to know about the others too, and we want to put ourselves in a cross perspective, to be in the shoes of other people and knowing other people too. So if we persist and we were perseverance and we keep the activism and we keep the responsibility that we hold up to, I think we can reach to many people and create much more voices using this tool.